Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn remaining lesson Unit 3 before the match. It's very interesting lesson. All of you see near to your house, so many boys are playing cricket. This game is popular among the boys. So what happened? How he planned? Whether he succeeded or not? Shall we start? Then open your page number 20 and I am going to teach you remaining lesson. The next morning, he formed a plan to be free all the evenings of the week. It was 7:30 in the morning and he still had 2.5 hours before him for the school. Swaminathan quietly slipped out of the house. Normally school time in morning 9:30. And when he got up from his sleep, he got up by 7:30. It was remaining 2.5 hours for the school. But what was the plan in his mind? If you want to bunk the school, you are pre-planning, you are planning before only, no? Not to attend the school. You are searching reasons. So, same way, Swaminathan also what done? There was one big plan in his mind. Yesterday I joined evening class. Now, the match is too near and what I have to do? I have to practice for every evening. He planned very well. And he left the house. What was the plan in his mind? How will he attend his evening practice? We have to learn in the remaining lesson now. He left the house. When he left the house? By 7:30. He stood before a shop in front of which hung the board Dr. T. Kesavan, L.M. and Yes, Sri Krishna dispensary. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free. He entered the shop. Normally what we are going to see, where there is a hospital, beside hospital only we can see normally dispensary and medical shop we can see. Same way when he left his house and when he came some long distance, he had seen one board. What was that board? It was the board of Dr. T. Kesavan, L.M. and Yes, Sri Krishna dispensary. He stood there only. He stared that board properly and slowly where he entered to the doctor's chamber and what he had seen Dr. Kesavan was alone in his cabin, in his chamber. He was free, doctor was free. Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? Maybe doctor know him before only. Those know to each other. When Swaminathan entered to the doctor's cabin, what said doctor? Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? Why, what happened with you? Too early today you came to the hospital. Anything wrong? Doctor, I have got to have a doctor's certificate immediately. What is the matter with you? What happened with you, Swaminathan? Why you came to the hospital and you came alone? There are no parents with you. Normally when you are going to become sick, when you are not feeling well, when your health is upset, your parents are taking you to the hospital. But today Swaminathan went alone to the hospital. So Dr. Kesavan got surprised. And suddenly he asked, why Swaminathan? What happened with you? What is the matter? Why you came to the hospital? At that time Swaminathan said, Doctor uncle, I want a medical certificate immediately. Why? What is the matter? I will tell you the truth, doctor. If you want to bunk anything, if you want to take anything, then first you have to try to tell the truth. Swaminathan not hide anything from the doctor. What is the truth? He told. What he said? I will tell you the truth. I have to play a match next week against the Young Men's Union. YMU. MCC already I said you. Said or not? Malgudi Cricket Club. MCC means Malgudi Cricket Club and YMU means what? Young Men's Union. So next week there is a cricket match there against with whom? Against with YMU team, and I must have some practice. And yet every evening there is a drill class, scouting some dirty periods or other. So evening drill class there, scout period there. So now as match is too early and I can't attend the practice, so that I want medical certificate. If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help the MCC to win the match. And if you are giving to the certificate to me, medical certificate, they will give me after school hours. I can't attend remaining classes of scout class, either it's scout class or the drill class. Well, I could do it. But there is anything wrong with you? Okay, I will give you, no problem. But really symptoms are there, you are not feeling well. Swaminathan took half a second to find an answer. He was alright, he was healthy. There was nothing happened wrong with his health. As suddenly doctor asked him question, is anything wrong with your health? 1/2 second, Swaminathan became speechless. There was no answer with him. Certainly I am beginning to feel of late that I am delirium. Yeah, sir. Myself, something feeling delirium. Delirium means suddenly getting headache. See, headache is the most popular reason to bunk the school. Fact or not, headache and stomach, you are telling. Doctor, we can't examine it soon. Okay, what happened with you, sir? Myself suddenly feeling that I have a delirium. Boy, did you say delirium? What is exactly do you mean by delirium? I can't say exactly, but isn't it some kind of stomachache? What said? He was no idea about the meaning of delirium. Just he was heard by someone. What happened with you means what he said? Delirium. Okay? You are suffering with delirium? Then what is the meaning of delirium? Doctor asked him. There was no answer with Swaminathan. Then Swaminathan what answered to doctor? He said, sir, maybe it is stomachache. The doctor laughed until the great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. By listening the answer of Swaminathan, doctor started to laugh loudly. Because delirium means what? One type of headache. And what answer was given by Swaminathan? He said it was a stomachache. Doctor laughed too long until he got cough, choke. After that, he looked Swaminathan under the eye, examined his tongue, tapped his chest and declared him to be in the pink of health and told him he would do well to stick to his drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to have his evening free. But the doctor said, it is all very well, but I should be prosecuted if I give you any such certificate. Who is going to find it out, doctor? Do you want our MCC to be lose the match? I wish you all success, don't worry. I can't give you a certificate, but I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. That will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. So, as he had said, what given answer by Swaminathan? It's the stomachache. Doctor laughed too long. After laughing, doctor made him to lay down on his examination table, where he was normally checking the patient. He checked, and whenever we are going to the hospital, doctor is making us to show our tongue. Tongue color is going to change when we are going to get fever. Doctor examined him properly. He checked his chest, stomach, tongue, and doctor said, you are pink in health. Means you are good in the health. There is not happen anything wrong with you. Whatever it may be, doctor uncle, please give me certificate. Again, who asked to mark this certificate? Again, Swaminathan asked the certificate to Dr. Vansal. Dr. Keshavan said, no, I can't give you wrong certificate. If I given you wrong certificate, it is not good for my profession. Being a doctor, I don't want to cheat anyone. Okay. Then you are thinking that our MCC team has to lose the doctor. Why you are not ready to give me a certificate? Okay. Though I am not ready to give you a certificate, I am ready to arrange you something for you. Practice. What will you do? Then Dr. Keshavan said, I will talk with your headmaster and I will discuss with him about your match. This week I will arrange you practice after 4:30. After school hours, directly you go for the practice. I will talk with them. Oh, you are very kind. You are doing so great thing for me. Swaminathan became happy. If we are going to tell the truth, maybe the who are the listener, if he is listening our truth properly, what we want at that time to do, we can do it. So Swaminathan got permission for 1 week for attending the practice, and after getting practice at the day of the match, MCC team won the match against YMU team. So my dear students, today we completed our unit 3 before the match. In next class, I will give you fair notes on this class. I will meet you in the next class. Till then, take care, but keep in mind while writing fair notes, give concentration towards your handwriting. Till then, bye, take care.